Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your Acer N19H2 laptop, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, make sure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source. For added safety, it's wise to wear your anti-static wrist strap. Start by flipping the laptop over to access the back panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the casing. With the back panel removed, locate the battery. It typically has a rectangular shape and is secured by a few screws. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. If you find it challenging to access the battery, remember to take your time and use the spudger to help release any clips that may be holding it in place. Once the screws are removed, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is often a delicate process, so ensure you pull the connector straight out without wiggling it too much to avoid damage. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align it correctly with the connector and gently push the connector back into place. Secure the battery with the screws you previously removed. It's important to ensure everything is tightly secured to avoid any movement during use. Before reassembling the back cover, take a moment to clean the internal components, particularly around the fan and heatsink, using a can of compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now, place the back cover back on the laptop and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything fits snugly and there are no gaps. Once all screws are in place, flip your laptop back over. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check that the new battery is recognized by your system and that it charges properly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you don't have the necessary tools or feel unsure about the process, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you won't have to worry about calls or travel. Make sure to quote before any repair to understand the cost involved. This will ensure you are well informed before proceeding with any further actions. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.